Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
me say diet nsem na ende dia yeti yede na echen da na me mamoti asese sa nsem a ende yeti ye you get people believing it. Now I am very happy say with this particular issue there, especially people from the office of former President Mahama Eba Bonten abeseti the record straight. Na me say intro bi wo ho awutwa ene de badwemba wo bia wo ye badwemba bia ehwe asemo a woka na wo hwe statistics na obehu ne say asumesi asemo a woken eyentro asem ne say MPP parliamentary candidate for Kpon Katamanso ye friend Hope Senadoye ekotena nde 2 eka asem bia sisi ano akọ amansan ya ba behu ne say sansem no eyentro kese na asem a wokan ne say Emra na Mahama wo akoye ne masters ewo Russia University Russia no de siye ene se Ekufuado ene utia Mahama ni school fees ema no na asemwe na nkrofo se Hope Senadoye ensemu a wo ken de because say ye tracy back near her time Mahama okoye ne masters of Russia na it was around the 1980s. Now ko hesa 1980s ne nsemu a wo kana Hope Senadoye nsemu a wo ken de ye hia ne kra bia enim because Mahama ne kra na nya se bia efia wo film no na eye ehiafo fie because na ne papa eye MP aside ne papa ye MP no na ne papa esanso eye state minister wo ye northern regional minister inti susuan paase Mahama papa ye MP ye northern regional minister Mahama eko university ne papa ntimi entua ma no eye Ekufuado sa time ne kra no na Ekufuado ne kra no na ase onyan hyeda nye politics papa ye sa no eba ne sen na wo beka se wo no na wetia Mahama fees. Now there is a catch to this whole issue. Some people feel say in someone na Hope Senadoye work no he was referring to Ebia Ekufuado ne papa because onim say Ekufuado papa nso wo boni din a wono nso ye ka no Ekufuado enti ebimu nsem a wo mo ka no say Hope Senadoye was referring to Ekufuado papa ena yen ya fa ne say eye president Ekufuado ena wo ka ne ho ansem ni nemu no a very special aid to President Mahama Standogbe Eden Semna Babonti ababe clarify all of those things. Na nsema wo de Babonti obema points bako 4 explaining nsem no na me reading ni na atremo na ye ni na yehu de eko. Now nsema wo betro ni wo say happy Saturday my people. Intiende ya no deba. So a number of you have forwarded the crap attitude of the crap attributed to Hope Senadoye about President John Dramani Mahama's education and funding. It is obvious Hope Sen just wants to be noticed by the Nanado kitchen cabinet for a post to survive. His claims are, however, nothing but just another fabrication about the affable, modest, and Ghana's favorite politician today. It was say what in someone Hope Senadoye can because in Crawford Sene in Semna Mano. Now, in some way, Nina and Sembia sabi a crap, or because a bibi a crapper, naturally say Nyansa enim a yensem fun. Into what in Semni na wo baba betra semnimu na wo bia atiase ya na yen se Ekufuado papa ena na Hope Senadoye wo ka ne ho asem ana se Ekufuado na nkasa no Standogbe at the 4 points he explain bibia. Now the first point ni as a President Mahama entered secondary school on a Western Gonja District Council scholarship when Mr. Ekufuado's government was overthrown in 1972. He could not have paid fees for President Mahama when as a student he was already on scholarship. Now someone what can say Mahama krano embra wo ko school no embre bia na Ekufuado ne papa krano no ni aban mu na yetu ne papa kra efiade so dedaada enti se eyo ne papa ho asem na wo kakra na saa time na ne papa wo ni aban mu na aside that ne nso no wono Mahama ne kra no wo kɔ school no wo the scholarship ene kɔye na wehu obi a wo the scholarship equal school a utumika say oh asomesi ena wasanso atua ne fees na because scholarship is about paying your fees. Inti Mahama the scholarship na equal school scholarship na wo di call school ne nso no saa time no Ekufuado na ne papa ani aban mu inti asembe na hopes no oken wo bie ni wa individual bie ni obetumi aka say onu no tua Mahama fees ma mama wati ase say Mahama kra no sebe ne papa eyo obi a na wabobra ewo Ghana ha se na wo ye MP wasanso eye minister state minister. Now the second point ni I say again Ekufuado could not I say again Edward Ekufuado nti wo trese Ekufuado ne papa mpo se eye ne papa mpo ena ho senadoye ka na asem a Edward Ekufuado ne papa mpo could not have paid President Mahama's fees in the 80s when he is known to have died in 1979. Mama wati asese Mahama secondary school masters na yesi Ekufuado ena etua ye say ne papa wo say ono ankasa na etua ye. It was in the 1980s. Ena Mahama call school. Na yesi Ekufuado say ne papa kra na hopsinado ye ka na asem ne papa kra no wo ye in 1979. Ekufuado ne papa wo ye in 1979. Ti eba ne say na obi be call school 80s yi. Mo be ka se ne papa wo in 1979 no no tua ne fees. Tiano na walk no. Or say President Mahama's study in Russia was on a Soviet scholarship awarded through the scholarship secretariat. So person what say Mahama school awokoye e wo Russia kra no a Soviet scholarship. Russia for scholarship bia wo mo ye. Ena Mahama wonyaye ene kranya Ghana scholarship. A obeka send the Ghana ni e Russia for na nkasa because one say sa enkro we sa oman brofufo no eya na wo mo ankasa wo scholarship bia wo mo de boa ebibiman nti saa time no Russia fo ankasa scholarship bi ena Mahama ye de boa na wo de eco school e wo Russia ho nti na okoye ne masters wo Russia no nti se wo ba na obeka se Ekufuado ana ne papa ena etua ya we twantro because Russia for scholarship no de koye. Third point ni I say President Mahama never personally knew or met President Ekufuado until they were both sworn into parliament on the same day on January 1997. Inti asemu amenso meka eni. Se saa time no, na Mahama na kra wonye politics. Na Ekufuado kra no wonye politics. Eye 1997, ena Mahama ni Ekufuado wo muko shiaye our parliament because that time ne de na afi wo mo aba dane politicians. That was when they were sworn in as members of parliament. So they didn't even know themselves like that because they were both not actively into politics. Into hopsina doyen semu awaken se wonim bibi kra na wonim se 1980 de na Ekufuado nsha asese wo ye politics na Mahama nso nsha asese wo ye politics. Into asemu ya hopsina doyen ken obeka se there is a question mark. But mama wati asese on my way your team it is very easy. So we be kwa kotina TV and radio so now I can be biasa hakeke now I find it trade dim no oko. Now this is the fourth point. I say fact is everything to do with President Mahama's education from primary school till he graduated from university with a first degree was catered for by his father, E.A. Mahama, when his father lived in exile in the 1980s. Expenses for his postgraduate education were taken care of by his late stepmother, Joyce Tamaklo. Asemwa we can say Mahama embrana owo ho no ne papa se me ma wote azese ne papa eyobi a obobra. It was Mahama de ne kra ne say school a woko obi a ne papa na hwe no. From he ekosi first degree ne papa na hwe no. Now so do baby ne papa eko exile. Nti ne papa ko exile no. Na ne papa eyere a friend Joyce Tamaklo. Ono Joyce Tamaklo yi na obehwe Mahama. Inti Mahama de sebe na efie na ehwe no. At least if for nothing at all kra na efie ewo ho a ebo ne chiban. Te efa he amende o beka se President Akufo-Addo. Na trese wotua Mahama fees. Embra wo ko university, okoye ne masters. Asemo eda ho no. Montre mo adwo comment box ni mu. Medase.